Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. I'm near Town Hall, Bangalore. I wanted to show this place since a long time. You know, all the cultural events that happens in Karnataka and sometimes in Bangalore as well happens here. And if there is protest for a cause or a political protests, all those things happen here itself. And people gather around here and all the media and everything comes. So apart from that, I don't want to give any introduction to this place. Please do Google it. The main part why I came here today was to do another video about another modification which I've done for my bike Mojo. You know that Ashwin Ram, who has a company called Luvia Industries, has given me this modification for my bike so that the exhaust sounds even more better. Yeah, so the exhaust of the bike sounds really good now. It has a very good bass and it's really beautiful to ride this bike around city and have fun. On the highways it gets a little tiring because the exhaust seems louder, so that's okay. But if you're using it mainly in the city, that exhaust modification is a must for a Mojo because you'll love it to the core. Now let me turn this handle because he has sent me another gift which I forgot to reveal. It is the Big Bang Biker radiator guard. So I'll post a pic of the radiator guard which I had before. It was black and it had only tiny holes in it. There was nothing else. The information that I have regarding this radiator guard is that it is made up of high tensile strength steel. These precision cuts that you see here is done with the help of laser cutting, so it is always even and the quality of the material will always be maintained. There is no, problem with any part of the radiator guard. It's very nice. Before my bike used to heat up a little, but now it doesn't because the vents are a little more bigger, as you can see, and the airflow through the radiator is much better. So this was sent as a gift to me by Ashwin Ram from Luvia Industries. I will leave a link down to their website in the description below. Please do check it out. This radiator guard will cost you around 1970 rupees or something, and if you want a custom radiator guard like mine with your name or your bike's name in the center or something like that, yeah, it will cost you around 2400 rupees. So, and there is a waiting period as well. If you want to get a custom radiator guard, you will have to talk to Ashwin Ram on that through his website and find out as to how it is. He does make radiator guards for Mojo, Dominar, Duke 390 and as well as CBR. So for now he caters for 4 different bikes, and if you're happy with the way the radiator guard looks, I would certainly recommend it. Do talk to him and find out as to how long it will take for you to get a delivery of the product because he's based out of Coimbatore, and I'm planning to visit him at Coimbatore someday and show you the industry as well. So till then, thanks a lot Ashwin Ram for this fantastic product. I'm loving it to the core, and thanks a lot to all my subscribers for supporting me so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.